What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is well. Today I'm back out with the Traxxas Sledge, hoping to have a little bit of luck. If you've been following along, you know that I haven't had any luck with the spur gears every time I've taken it out, except the first time I broke one. So I've actually only taken the truck out 3 times, which is unfortunate for the price of this truck. I'm kind of disappointed, but I took everything apart, got it all Loctited back up, cranked it down, let it dry for several days. It's pretty warm out today, so that won't be an issue. I got a jump. I got 2 jumps and a little bit of open area. So I'm just gonna take it easy and try to get through my pack and hope that the truck holds up, because it is a lot of fun when it does. If I have this issue again, I really don't know what to do, because you know, I got everything all kind of messed up. I don't have a lot of little rocks. I did forget to tape up the hole on the bottom. People are talking about doing that. I'm gonna look around and see if I can find any tape, but I don't think I have any on me. But yeah, I'm gonna get you guys mounted up on the head, and let's see if this thing can get through a full bash session, because that would be great. All right, here we go. All right, little chassis slap there. I said I wasn't gonna jump it, but how do you not jump your truck? I'm just gonna go easy. I just went right over the dog. Yeah, some wheelie power right there. Oh, let's see if my piece stayed on the bottom. Oh, look, I pushed my bumper in again. Some big rocks in there. Oh, it did stay on. See, I put this piece of grip tape over the bottom of that gear there. All right, let's continue on. The dog. So that little piece of what it was from my ramp. I redid the big ramp today, and I had to get to some of the screws. I had to take off the grip tape, and it was still a little sticky, and that's all I had because my tape's at home. So side by side, 2 side by sides. Steering is real nice with that new Speed Tech servo in there. That bumper is pushed in again. Oh no, it's not. I lied. Had to air it out there. Oh yeah, she jumps so nice, this truck. I said I wasn't gonna jump, but I'm jumping. Whoa, nice way. Ah, it looks like my tape is coming off underneath there. Whew, it's dusty. Oh yeah, see, my tape is coming off. I don't want anything to get sucked in there. Dog's getting his exercise. He loves to chase these things. Woo! That was some good full speed there. Truck's really controlled here. Power slide's really good. Oh yeah. Dusted it right out. Or it was getting a little hot or something. It feels like it's got low power. Alright, so it overheated again. Well, not again. It's the first time I ever had overheating issues with it. So, yeah. Hasn't broken the gear yet, but it overheated. It's not even that hot out either. Alright guys, so while that sledge cools down, redid the mega ramp. What do you think? Now, it's not really a looker, but it's a functioner. Well, it will function if it works. I don't know how well you can tell, but that angle there, that's like kind of level. It's really high. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna get really kicked up into backflip oblivion, I think. I trimmed a little off the top, so it's not quite as big as what it used to be, but before it just kind of came down like this into the ground, so the truck would bottom out and wouldn't really ride the ramp. Now this has kind of got a nice flow to it, but I think it's got too much pop. But could be a simple backflip type of ramp, like you could just float right off it right into a backflip. So I salvaged all the wood. The front pieces there, those are some other pieces I had laying around, but I saved all the sides and the 2x4, so it didn't cost me anything. I even reused the screws, so I was able to save it from some of the other stuff that I've already spent money on. So if it works out good, I might take it home. Problem is, it's big. It takes up a lot of room in the back of my truck, but I might be able to put it in my parking spot. But yeah, I'm going to let the sledge cool down some more, and we're going to have to hit this ramp, I guess, for this video and have some fun. What's going on, everybody? The champ is here. Mr. Propaganda, he was scared to hit his new ramp, so he called me up. He's like, hey, you've been out bashing like 3, maybe 4 times. You know what you're doing. I just built this gnarly ramp. You got to come down because I got no balls. He's got no balls. So here I am. I got my dog with me. Look at him. Look at him. This guy, he's very fierce, so you better look out. This is the kind of dog a champ has. I got my diamonds on my belt. Got me the sledge, I guess. He said he's got it running good and it's ready. So, you know, I'm just going to put this down and show you guys how a champ sends his RC truck. Practice. I need a little practice. This is like a new truck for the champ here. I gotta figure it out a little bit. So I'm gonna do a couple of laps. Hey, heel! I said heel! think I can do it. I don't know what Mr. Propaganda is so afraid of. What a joke. That easy money, baby. Yeah, I'm getting paid. He paid me to come hit that ramp. Now all I gotta do is tell him, sends you straight the fuck up in the air. That's it. That's all it does. Jump. Might have to try to rip it a little bit again though. I'm worried I don't want to land on my dog. He likes to chase the truck. He's nuts. Yeah, did you see that backflip, baby? Championship material. Championship material. That was dope. Well, I ain't gonna lie, this truck's got some balls. I'm gonna take it out here and show you guys some speed runs. Whoa, look at those wheelies, those high speeders. Woo, yeah. Yeehaw! Woo-hoo! Walk of shame. Well, alright guys, that's gonna be it for the champ today. I came, I did what I was asked. Now I gotta leave, but hopefully Propaganda gets me coming back out again and testing some more rigs. I know I've been testing my free time, and when they get that bashing belt, best believe I'm coming for it. And I'm just gonna be a two-time champion. There's nothing you can do to stop it. Well, alright guys, we had a successful sledge bash. I can't believe it. I did have to call in the champ. I was a little nervous to hit that jump. I just got the truck back together. I didn't want to break it, but I figured if I asked him and he broke it, well, it wasn't me. So everything looks good. That I put this stuff over the spur gear underneath there, but it's already not sticking. I'll have to get some duct tape or something and get it like just right. But chassis looks straight. Nothing looks broken. I took a couple, you'll see those big just flat landings, so I was happy that the truck did that. The body didn't pop off. The servo held up good. My little wiring here that I did held up good. So visually right now, everything looks good. A+. So I'll have to get it, home and check some of the nuts and everything I tightened up. So it looks like just tightening up those motor screws and adding Loctite really helped. Or maybe, I'm not sure. You can see right now there are, a few rocks in there. Rocks always get stuck inside there. It's kind of a hassle with these truggies, but luckily nothing got in the gear and broke anything. I had a lot of fun, and I'm happy to have this truck going again. So hopefully I can get it back out in the pit and we can send it again, and I'm gonna have to consider if I want to use that ramp or go for another ramp. The price of plywood's expensive, but I think I could go with that thin stuff, and I have some 2x4s. I don't know, let me know in the comments. Should I build another ramp, or should I just keep trying to send it off of that ramp and see what happens? But I think if we do that, we'll have a lot more breakage on the channel. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.